welcome to another new video. In this video, we're going to talk about Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee program that is called by SINP, and this is an express entry program under Saskatchewan government. So anyone, anywhere can apply on this program. You need to have language proficiency, you need to have experience, and if you have any relative in Canada, you have got plus points. So let's begin. At first, you can saw here welcome to SINP, a program that helps skilled worker, entrepreneur, and their families immigrate to one of Canada's most vibrant and diverse province. So let us show how you can get on your immigration journey. So there is 4 types of criteria they're showing here. First one is occupations. Your occupation must be an SINP in demand occupation list or express entry occupation requirements. So you have need to an occupation that are demand on SINP. They are trying to tell you that you have need to a job or need have an occupation under those occupation that is demand on SINP draw. In last of this video, I'll show you the draw result for the SINP in their language proficiency. You have demonstrate language proficiency in either English or French to qualify for the programs. So you need to do a TOEFL test or your IELTS test. They have evaluate your result under the CLF, and then they are talking about educational credential. So you must have complete post-secondary education. So you need to complete at least post-secondary education, and then you can participate in these programs. However, you complete like undergrad, higher grad, or graduations or PhD, you got different point every sectors that you when you complete your form on the EOI mean expression of interest. At first, you need to submit an EOI form on the Saskatchewan government website. Work experience. You must have work experience in high demand occupation, be eligible for SIN. I told you what is occupations and what occupation you need to do before apply this program. So you have to experience person on the occupation that you try to apply. And at first you need to research about the occupations because they are trying to take a relevant type like engineer, computer engineer. I show you the result, then you can understand what occupations they are mostly taking. Pre-assessment, what they are talking there. Ensure you meet the SINP eligibility criteria by taking a pre-assessment. They told you that you have to check that are you eligible or not. They assess by yourself and then you can apply. And then create an expression of interest, EOI. Create an online profile under SINP guideline to complete your EOI. So you have to complete your EOI, expression of interest, under the SINP government website. Receive ITA. ITA means invitation to apply. So when you submit your EOI, if your point and if your profile are eligible, they give you an ITA, and you got a notifications on mail. Also you found on website there you have complete your EOI. Based on your EOI score and SINP labor market need, you may receive an invitation to apply for permanent residency. After you got ITA, your process should be start from there. Submit an applications. Provide all required documents along with SINP applications package within 60 days of your ITA. They are telling you that you have to submit your application from the date you got ITA. You have 60 days from the date you got ITA. So let's check the next page. Benefit of SINP. Family-friendly, thriving economy and access to nature. SINP in the deal on families looking to settle permanently in Canada and provide ample opportunities for growth and development. Saskatchewan have a vibrant economy, a low unemployment rate, and offer excellent job opportunities across various sectors. Access to nature. Saskatchewan is known as a beautiful lake and national park, making it ideal destinations for nature lovers. So that is the benefit of your Saskatchewan province. You have faced some challenges in the applications process under SNIP. Language proficiency educational, credential, and application process time. You must need a language proficiency test, and you must need your educational credential, and then you can apply. Otherwise you cannot apply. Or you need a good experience under the occupation that you try to apply. You have to select your NOC code, National Occupational Classifications code, and found it on the website. You just check your background, like you have to a good experience under the occupation you are applying for. They have listed degree that which occupation has need this, or they are listed for every NOC which type of studies you need under the same NOC. Number 3, applications process time. Application process time can be long, ranging from 3 to 6 months or even more. They process too many applications in the same time. That's why they need some time to process your applications, and every application is manually selections, and then they are verifying your everything you submit to them, then they selected you. So that's why they are taking too much time. So in this part I am going to show you the result of SINP, and we'll check it out, the result for every draw. They are published on their website. Here you can find the International Skilled Worker EOI system, and on the last of this page is you found the EOI selections results. So click details and download this form. In this form you found every result they are draw in the last year, last month, or last day. Their last draw in June 8. This is in this draw they are taking on occupation in demands, and their minimum lowest ranked score is 69, and total candidate they are invited to apply. Here you can see 232, and their NOC code. I told you the EOI is here, the NOC code you selected when you try to complete your EOI profile, and there is the NOC code you have found here. The same day they are also taking express entry profile. Their point also 69, and they're taking 268 people with this NOC. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys here understand what is SINP, how it's work, and what you need to do to apply SINP under Government of Saskatchewan. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel.